Forbes, entrepreneur, and Fox are all words that come to mind when someone mentions the words platform works with multi-billion-dollar corporations. And today, you will have the opportunity to start your own stream of income by completing the instructions in this tutorial. This tutorial is designed for regular people with no prior experience. Even a complete novice can do this. And it works in your region because it is available globally. I understand you're excited to work making income online as soon as possible. But believe me when I say it's far better to gain further knowledge and watch the full 10-minute video than to skip off and then waste endless hours of trying to figure it out on your own and not getting any profit. But first, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like making money online. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you will be notified when I have a new and exciting strategy for making money online. Today's strategy will be really easy to execute. First and foremost, I wanted to show you the application that will handle all of the work for you, as well as the app that will allow you to earn money on fully automation. This site will put everything on autopilot so you can generate income hands-free and automatically. But that is not the first step. The first step is to go to Sellfy.com. This is the site that will keep paying you, and it has been featured on Fox News, Forbes, and Entrepreneur, so it's a major platform to collaborate with a big firm. Sellfy is a platform that allows creators, other business persons, and other entrepreneurs to sell their items without hassle. It's a convenient e-commerce platform for creators to generate sales or any type of digital product from a single location. This is a platform for people who end up coming to start their first online business. Don't worry, you don't have to be a creator for this. You won't be selling merch or those products. And you won't have to spend any money on Sellfy because I'll demonstrate to you how to use it and associated with those previous platforms. An app to generate money without having to move your hands. First, we'll hop over to Sellfy and see how it operates. As you can see, there are over 32,000 creators on this site. So this is the streamlined procedure of marketing digital goods for creators and other online entrepreneurs. Step 1 is to go to Sellfy.com and look at their platform. Step 2 is to go to Google and search for Sellfy Affiliate because you want to enlist their affiliate program. Simply click on this Sellfy.com/affiliates and it will take you to this site in which you can begin promoting and earning money. The benefit about this is that you will earn 25% compensation for up to 12 months, which is amazing. That's 25% incentive in pure investment income for the entire year, which means you can recommend someone today and generate income for the next 12 months even without touching your laptop. If you go back to Sellfy.com and look at their pricing options, you'll discover that their most expensive plan is $89 per month, which is roughly $1,000 per year. So they have to pay all at once. And if you earn 25% off of that, that's $250. But if they are using the monthly plans, they'll be able to pay up to $129 each month. And if you earn $25 off of that, that's roughly $35 per person per month. From 10 people you refer, which amounts to roughly $350 per month. If you refer 100 people each month of a year, you will earn $3,500. You will not have to do anything and you will still be paid on a monthly basis on auto mode. You can refer an unlimited number of people to their affiliate program, which is pretty incredible. You can earn some very nice residual income and this works globally. They will even provide you the various resources and tools to assist you. The advantage of this platform is that after 40 various customers that you suggest, you will receive a 40% commission, not a 25% commission, which means that every time someone buys $1,000 on this site, you will earn from a single individual. I'll show you how that application I showed you at the start of this video can assist you to get those customers in complete autopilot. And if you begin receiving even more sales, like 100 monthly sales, you can even boost it to 50 or 60% if you email them at affiliate@sellfy.com. Now all you have to do is click on the Start Earning Money button so we can start signing up. You'll also need to tap on the Start Earning button, which will take you to their Sellfy affiliate program page and filling out some general details about yourself. You will only have to wait for a few hours to get accepted into their affiliate program. Once they approve, you'll be able to log into their affiliate program's affiliated dashboard, where you'll be able to withdraw funds, monitor your profit, and complete your affiliate links, which you may share with others to begin earning residual income. Simply grab your affiliate link and allow me to show you how we'll be promoting it. Since this is a platform which helps creators help earn money by selling goods and digital products, you can go to YouTube and search for how to earn money as a creator to see all the various videos that explain how they can do it. And a huge number of people are curious in this, like millions around the world want to make some money as a creator, how to increase their profits, and how to grow their business as creators. So all you have to do is follow these steps. What you'll need to do is to create a simple 5 to 10 minute video. Don't worry, you won't have to show your face. You can simply title the video something like how to earn profit as a creator, how to develop your creator business, how to generate more revenue as a creator, how to advertise digital products, how to sell merchandise, and so on. You may also produce a screen share video similar to the one you're watching right now by using the Sellfy platform and then leaving your link. You may be contemplating somehow right now, I don't have any subscribers, and if I post this, no one will see it. You'll probably get 0 views, which is why I'm interested in sharing a platform with you that will actually allow you to get individuals to the video where you're trying to promote at Sellfy. You can easily go to vfly.com. This is a platform that will get you actual views on your YouTube videos. You can get YouTube views to make your video go popular. They're essentially just trying to run Google ads for you to advertise those videos on a particular target market and get actual views and interaction with them. You can even watch their short video right here that will show how vfly.com works. They have over 4,500 happy clients and have produced around 100 million views. Thus, this is a really incredible platform with genuine interactions from real people and for a lower cost. You can have real views right here. This is an optional step. You don't have to use vFly to increase your videos. But I wanted to show you that it is possible. If you just want to proceed with those straightforward videos without promoting them, you can do so and see if you can obtain views naturally instead of paying to get in front of actual targeted individuals. However, if you want to maximize your results and put everything on autopilot, vfly.com is a great place to start. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any videos. Thanks for your undivided attention, and I'll see you in some of the next videos.